Hi guys, welcome to an interesting lesson. Here we have to fill in the blanks with correct verb forms of simple past tense. Okay, so let's get started. Now, question number 1 is he blanked 20 minutes for the bus yesterday. Options are waits, waited, was wait. Okay, so here from this expression yesterday we can understand the action has been happened in the past. So we are going to use the helping verbs of simple past tense, but the first option is of present simple. So this is not the right option. Now number 2 is waited. Waited, that means the helping verb or the second verb form of verb. Okay, so the verbs are wait, waited, waited. So here we can see that this second verb form will come in the answer, because in simple past we use helping verb or the second verb form in the sentence. So we are going to put here in the blank this second option, that is waited. And was wait, this is not the structure of simple past tense, so this is also incorrect. Now number 2, they blank to the park because they were tired. So here we can see from all the options that the sentence goes in negative one. Okay, so no walk is absolutely incorrect, because whenever we want to make negative sentences we use not. So this is not right. Now in the second option not is there, but the helping verb is not given here, so we are not going to use it. And now number 3 is did not walk. Why this is right? Because whenever we want to make sentences of simple past tense into negative, or the negative sentences in simple past takes the helping verb did, and the structure will be did plus not plus verbs first form. Okay, so here we are going to use this answer did not work, because this follows the structure of simple past tense when we want to make negative sentences. So the answer will be did not walk. Now number 3, here two blanks are given. Did you dash the book? No, I dash. Okay, so as I have told you that whenever we'll be having did in our sentence, we'll be using first form of verb. So here we are also having the word finish, that is verb's first form. But let's see if this answer is also correct for blank 2 or not. Not finish, it will not be right, because it does not have any helping verb with it, because we have the word not, then directly our main verb is coming, so it is not right. But let's see if it is right or not. Finishing with did verbs first form plus ing doesn't come, so this is absolutely wrong. Now let's see in this third option, again we have the first form of verb and we have did not. Okay, so not finish will not be right here, so this is also incorrect. And for the first blank we are going to use verbs first form. Okay, so let's fill it here. Finish, then we are going to use no, then the helping verb of simple past, that is did, and answer will be in negative, so no, I did not. So our third option is correct here. Now next question. I blank at the library very late last night. Okay, so from this expression last night we can understand that this is simple past. Okay, and whenever we have such kind of expressions like last night, yesterday, the day before, we are going to use simple past tense here as three options given here. So first is did stayed. So with did, verb second form doesn't come, so this option is incorrect. Then stayed, the verb forms of stay is stay, stayed, stayed. Okay, so according to rule, simple past tense takes verbs second form. No, has, have, nothing. So we are going to use this option B as our answer here, and was did. This is not the structure of simple past tense. Now next question is, we blank some sandwiches and fresh fruits to eat for lunch. So options are buy, that means V1, buys V1 plus S or ES. This is not the structure of simple past tense, whereas bought is the correct one. Why? Because we use the second verb form of buy, and this is buy, bought, bought. So the second verb form will come here. So here I'm gonna put this option 3. Okay. Now next question. Okay, so next question is, blank you a good student in school. Okay, so somebody is asking, blank you a good student in school, and the answer is yes, I was. So options are did, were, was. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you that did is the helping verb, or yes, did is the helping verb in the past tense of the verb to do. Whenever any action is described in the sentence, we'll be having did. Otherwise, we are going to have, whenever we want to use the thing or the description of something, we are going to use were or was. That means to be forms will be there of past tense, then we will be using was or were, and we are going to use were here. Why? Because we are going to, or we are having the description of something. So for descriptions we use was or were, and according to our subject we are going to use were in the sentence. So option number B is correct. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Do hit the bell icon so that you get the videos on time. Okay, bye bye.